Hey, also what I just got. Oh, there's a lot of potential creatures now. And NPCs.
This realm.
Hi, Puck.
Ah, we made it. With the byway, this realm has long been forgotten by the Fae. Left in limbo. Not
Claim a
but
plot of
beware.
land.
In short time, darkness
Yeah, we
will
can do
descend. While you play carpenter,
the player
there are
thing now.
Excellent.
Private. Oh, you have a number now. Okay. Are you in the world yet?
I just created party.
And then you're gonna need my numbers and stuff.
Oh, I have my numbers. Or yeah, what's yours actually? See,
Mm,
I believe I invited you.
I'm not getting anything. Is it case sensitive?
I have capital E's.
I don't know. Hold on. Try one more time. I think it's because I had it on private. There we go.
Was there a way to change it to private?
Yeah, so in the
There, I changed
invites,
it to private.
private. Yeah. And then I have to go to. You have to invite me to your realm. Yeah. Yay!
Oh, that's a wolf, and it found me.
It's like, all you have is that silly little knife.
There are 3 wolves.
Oh God.
Yeah, I bodied one. I like that I can just sort of do the Skyrim style of fighting where you just, ouch, spin in a circle around them.
I'm sure they'll patch that.
Oops, that's not what I meant to do. I just drank my wine.
Oops.
Ow! Oh my gosh, I just took so much damage.
Glass cannon build is not worth it no more.
Ow. No, it's not even glass cannon, I just ran into wolves. Okay, cool. Wolves are dead.
Then you journey. Hey, we're here.
I'm glad you spawned in just as I finished fighting the wolves.
Floating.
Nice character.
Thanks. You're not even touching the ground. You're just flying.
Am I really? That's so
Yeah.
funny.
Uh,
I'm weighed down by all my meat. Alright, let's find a perfect spot.
rocks and stone blocks.
Build our estate.
The estate, we're gonna get to claim the land. I'm already weighed down again, damn it.
Oh, I see a tower over there. That's definitely somewhere we're going to want to explore. I think we actually just build directly at the top of this hill.
Let's see if we can try to find another portal.
Whoa. Eden.
Hold on. I gotta consume some stuff.
No, Eden.
What?
Where?
I don't know where here is.
At the top of the hill.
Oh. I knew that.
Oh my gosh, why are you still all the way down there?
Oh, I can't jump. No.
How do we get stone block?
We have to mine it. Oh, okay. Here's some of those. Okay, I can jump now. Ah. Okay.
How are you only level 2?
I don't know. Yeah.
Eden, look. Eden, no, this way. There's a market. At least I think it's a market. I don't know. There's a thing. These are all good noises.
Okay, back. But yeah, the fucking skull is wild. You know, there's a chest in here. There's gotta be.
I mean, there will be definitely be a chest at that tower over there. Because there always is.
What? What? I don't like those noises.
I also don't like those noises. I have
Oh.
left. I also
There's an
don't
electric-
actually see anything around here worth getting.
There's an electric gate. We can go inside the temple.
Oh, very cool. Oh, it now says you're level 5. I'm very confused.
I think that's. I thought it was based on hope. Character equipment rating, your weighting averages your main handheld item and your clothing item. Okay.
Is this not
So
gonna hurt
whatever-
me?
I don't know. I want to shoot
Ouch!
just
Didn't let me
What?
in. Wait, how did you get in?
I didn't get in.
Oh.
Oh. No damage.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt you. It just makes a loud shocking noise and launches you.
Funny.
Alright, we gotta find a place to build our estate, though.
I'm thinking somewhere close by the water.
Not a bad idea.
Mostly, yeah, because there's like reeds and stuff we can make into the vegetable soup. But let's look at the map. Maybe we can find an area. You're going the opposite direction. There is a portal in that direction. On D6, on E6, we have a
Ooh.
realmic transmuter. Consume minor realm cards to trigger realm light effects. Ooh.
Ah,
And then
I
there's-
see.
Then there's like a little kingdom, an essence trader, and Wilhelmina says.
Why does it say my respite?
Mm-hmm.
Is that where where I'm supposed to build at?
Are you sure you want to travel to the respite realm? You will leave this realm and may not have access to return. Okay, never mind. Do we?
I'm heading towards this thing that says my respite. I don't know if that's where we already were or if that's where we're supposed to go. I want to explore this temple here, but I'm already over encumbered. I like how I'm just walking through the forest with a knife and like a lettuce wrap.
Right. Okay, so put the mushrooms away. Let's 9.
Okay, I'm near the water. Ooh, wait, I see an area that actually would look kind of decent. That's close to the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make my way over to that. There should be enough
Here.
rocks nearby.
I have 26 rocks. I have the rocks.
Well, no, but we also need the stone, whatever.
I can get that too. That's no biggie really.
Oh. There's already
Oh,
some stuff here.
There's already some welfare. I've lost you. I have no idea where you've gone.
Look on the map. Oh, I found a Fey chest.
Ooh.
I wonder if you also can pull from that chest.
Probably can, maybe.
Okay, I've decided this is where I'm gonna build the estate. Right next to where I found the Fey chest.
Okay.
It's actually not too far off from the spot you pointed out.
Oh, that's good. It's very pretty. We can go fishing here too. I'm way down. We should probably get a chest or something though.
Okay, what all did I need? 8. Okay, I've got the stone blocks already. You got 20 rocks for me? And can you actually drop them for me? Whoa, I see magic over there. How do I ping it?
Oh, I see what you mean.
Wait, come back. Give me the rocks first.
I can drop them, yeah, because I'm in. There we go. I can move now. Yay! I'm free.
Oh my gosh, I just became so slow.
It was 30 rocks.
I don't know what this will do, but...
Oh, it's a puzzle!
Well, hold on.
Oh my god! Fangasming. I love this so much.
I've named the structure. What does that do? Hi, Puck.
Your tenacity overrules the gusts
One,
of
two.
fate. Settled here, you'll soon
1,
wish to
2,
venture
3.
farther.
I don't see 4.
The unending
You
lure
better not be doing this
humankind
puzzle
so
without me right now,
often
Eden.
succumbs to.
Solving it without touching
Should
shit.
you hear that siren call,
There's things happening.
you'll
I'm
require
not touching nothing
ungraded
yet.
cards and the
It's gotta be.
power
There's
to play
4. I
them.
know that.
Fortunately,
But I'm only seeing 3.
both are close at hand. And here is the knowledge that Robin's friendship affords.
It can't be
Here
that
are
simple.
many sights,
No.
each granting access to evermore. You must first gain entry. Passing through their gates bar access to those once within. Hurry now, flesh.
He just called me Fleshlight. What?
He called you Fleshling.
Oh. I thought you said, hurry now, Fleshlight. And I was like, what the fuck? What kind of game are we playing?
it's the porn game.
Okay,
Obviously.
can I build more stuff?
You might want to manage the respite permissions so I can do things.
Oh my gosh,
Creatures-
there's buildings now.
I have to build one too. That's fucked up.
Okay, build one right next to mine.
I will. I need some stone, Thano.
Feature is unavailable.
Yeah.
I cannot allow you
Just
to
give me
manage my site.
Ooh, the fate chest. No, there's nothing in it.
I need plant fibers. Luckily, we're right next to a ton.
I can't get that. There's just random essence dust. I found a second chest. Slight healing potion plus 100 health.
Were you able to look into the chest I already opened, or is that not?
I did, but there was nothing for me.
Okay. I'm just gonna slap this down onto the ground so I can finally
Where's all
drop
this
stuff
essence?
off.
Ugh. Ugh. Do we want to do this puzzle real fast?
No, I want to build a house.
No, I don't do the puzzle. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on. Don't be that way.
I want to build a house.
It'll take like 3 seconds. I've already solved it.
Alright,
I just want you
fine.
here for it.
I'm
Well, I
coming.
think I solved
Content.
it.
Okay.
Puzzle.
What's the puzzle? Oh,
You have to activate them in an order.
how do you know what order?
I was watching it.
I will let you
What's this?
grab this.
Favor.
Oh,
of
it changes.
power. How to play favors. Yeah, I need to go. To
It
the
changes.
back for that. What changes?
Eat it. It's changing. We can pick between endurance, power, or soaring. Which do you want?
I got power.
Oh, you already grabbed one?
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna change.
I grabbed the one of soaring.
What's that do?
Oh!
What did it do?
Did you not just see that just now?
No.
Eden, look at me.
Oh, it just launches your. That's
Then
cool
I
as
float
fuck.
down, yeah. So yours must have something to do with strength, obviously.
Probably do more like melee damage or whatever. Map, guidebook. Building. Yeah, I still need to do that. Surviving the Feywilds. How to play. Status effects. Favors, that's what it is.
Oh, yeah, there's something on the ground over here. Oh, I found some
Also,
essence dust.
Benefit, a bonus or benefit for limited duration. Watch out for hope echoes that will benefit. You gain advantages from the echoes. Okay. Favor of power. The Fae have shown your favor. The beasts of these realms appear so fragile, and you know that. With the newfound strength, you can dispatch any with ease. So I just get a bonus strength. Okay. Do we have rocks and stuff?
Yeah. We have some.
Stone block. I need that.
I wanna build a home. It's not letting me build a structure. Oh, do I need to place a foundation first?
Oh, that's messed up.
Well, I guess they're going for realism.
Nah. Do we want stone or wood?
There's my foundation. Can you see this, by the way?
I can't. I can add my resources to it too. That's gonna take 300. No, that's the foundation limit. Okay. Require 15 stone blocks. I see. So now we can work together on this. You
Excellent.
broke it.
I broke
You
what?
broke your stone. Broke your stone piece.
Why did you break it?
You broke it
No, I
when your tree
didn't.
fell on it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. I mean, luckily we don't actually need to like.
It's not like it's a pain in the ass to do.
Yeah.
It's just annoying. Hope you got your umbrella.
You. What did we need? A bunch of stone? Name. Whoa,
It
wait,
lasts
what's
for
over
good.
here?
But,
I see something over here, Eden.
what's the something?
Towers? Ooh!
I don't know.
I have already arrived, and am now looking around. In hopes that it has some sort of... Oh, hey! Found a cave.
Hey, is there anything good in it?
I don't know, it's a deep cave. Like an
Oh.
actual shaft. Like a mine shaft.
I'm gonna head that way then. Ooh, spooky.
More
I hear a
cards.
hope thing.
Hello.
What was that noise?
Whatever it wasn't ideal.
I found a chest.
Oh, nice. I also
Nothing
found
in
a
there.
chest.
I think you robbed it.
Yeah. Found another chest.
I don't like that. Oh god. I'm in the cave.
I'm coming.
Sounds like the cannibal tribe. Oh, it's locked.
What's locked?
It's locked behind the barrier.
What do you mean it's locked
Oh.
behind a barrier?
Oh! Oh!
Are you okay?
No! I don't want to go in here. Come down here. Look at him. Pick underneath. Look at him in the back.
Yeah, what? Oh.
That's like fucking pyramid head.
Huh. Yeah, no, let's get out of here.
No, yeah, let's agree to never come back. I ran out, really. What are you doing? What do you want, Puck? Unlock the simple sewing. Yeah, we have to. It's better to build it inside, though.
Well done. Oh, I can actually just straight up blueprint the entire thing ahead of time. That's kind of
Yeah,
cool.
then I just come in with some rocks.
Oh. How do I cancel this wall?
I don't know how to cancel.
Deconstruct. You just hold E and then press deconstruct.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be funny as fuck if I sink to the bottom of the lake because I'm over encumbered? Oh god, my walking speed is shit.
Is there not a flat roof that's made of stone? I guess not.
It's fine. We'll work with it. I know I need to get a bed placed down. Oh, that's right. I can't jump. Ugh. Oh, I Skyrim'd it.
Well done.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Never mind, not well done.
Wait, hold on. I did it.
I have crafted a bed. Oh, hi, Puck. Oh,
How far you've come,
Can't see him.
and yet how little you possess. Across these wilds, your kind have proliferated with
essence
haste,
shape.
industrious, and more than willing to avail amidst your...
Not gonna lie, I'm hardly reading what the game prompts me with.
I ain't even reading it either.
It's like, oh, there's a word I should remember. Oh, there's another one.
Here. I don't think I can just up and make the roof.
How do I?
No, because your bed's soggy now, so you don't benefit as much.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Let's see here. Hold for more options. Inspect. Expose. Decrease comfort score by 1. So you don't get as much of your blue stuff back when you press short rest. That's okay. You can kind of spam it.
Just deconstruct it and reconstruct.
I mean, it's still exposed. We haven't built the house yet.
What the hell is this? Oh, this wasn't what I wanted. I made a tanning station. I wanted a campfire.
Well, we're gonna need both. A little bit of lag. Okay. Deforestation. The game.
Alright, there we go. My character needs to take a short rest, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
There. Better now.
Challenge complete. We have to make our way to an essence trader. This isn't gonna be fun.
That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and help you with the stone, unless you're pretty much done.
Nah, I'm working on the wood for the roof. Or, well, I thought it was. Yeah, missing a piece.
Oh, we need to build a door. I think we actually have all the resources for the door.
I'm not gonna do that just yet.
What did I
Let's see
need?
here.
I just need 3 sticks.
Oh, it provides benefit.
There we go. And all I'm missing for the roof is the plant fibers. I just need 2 more. You got any?
Aw, I'm missing plant fiber. That's like the one thing. God damn it.
Well, it's easy to get. Don't worry.
That's true.
I got it right here. That should be more than enough.
I just need it for the little tanning station.
Oh. I did not get enough for the tanning station.
That's fine, I got it.
You just need 5 more.
Well, I also need to make the workbench too.
Oh, what do we need for the workbench?
I know it has to be inside.
I'll at least get it. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, I got it done. Oh, so there's benefits to building it on the ground where they get the grit trait, apparently.
Yeah. And then depending on how we implement everything determines how well it works.
I see.
So since the thing is well lit, we may have a bonus to crafting speed.
Very cool. I like that a lot, actually. That's really neat. I
Actually,
can't craft
place-
anything.
Oh no.
Oh, it's well, no, it's because I don't have straps. Everything. A
I can make
bow. It's a sling bow, but
20.
it's a bow nonetheless. We need straps.
Need straps for twine.
How do we? I need hide for that. I have hide. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Need.
Now we can cook stuff again too. Killing salve. I'm just gonna make a shit ton of that if I can.
Aha! I have a bow now. I have no ammo for it. How do I get ammo for this?
Simple climbing picks. Oh god, there's so much we can do. The simple wood axe is kind of what I want.
How do I make arrows? I don't see a way to make arrows.
I don't know either. What's animal fiber?
We should definitely also constantly be making straps, because apparently everything needs... I think we should also go ahead and craft the storages in here instead.
Yeah. I want to see if maybe we can get like a bonus to that.
And make like 3 of them over here. Go collect the plant fibers we need.
Yay. I still don't see the point of the sickle.
Need 2 stone, right? Stone block. Whoa, it just immediately shifted to complete darkness.
Oh yeah, oh boy.
Nice.
We can make a lighting thing.
A lighting
What is
thing.
it? I don't remember what it's called. Let me find it. Be crafting. Not guidebook. Fuck. Maybe. Makeshift items. Refund. Light. 1 hide, 1 twine. We don't have twine. It is cold.
Ah, I see. We need to keep that going. That's unfortunate. I think I now have everything. I'm gonna drop some off the tools. Because I very much do not need a sickle.
Yeah, me neither.
I do think I'm gonna keep the mining pick though.
I want to build the
Oh, I'm cold again. We can long rest. That might be the way to... You need to come over and press E on the bed.
We're gonna cuddle on the bed. Aw.
Think so? Yeah.
We share the same bed, yeah.
We're just sharing a bed.
You know, just two homies keeping each warm in the survival situation, obviously.
Yeah. Just gotta kiss your homies goodnight, you know? Whoa,
And
what's
then
that
sleep next-
spirit? Eden, on the lake.
Yeah,
Do you
that's
see
what-
that?
Ah, it's fucking huge. I don't know if it's dangerous and I want to approach it, but I know I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna run at it.
I don't even have a bow. You think we can capture it and make it work for us, like in Power World?
Hey, what are you?
It's dangerous. It
What?
starts charging at you.
It definitely looks like a Wendigo.
It does.
Oh, don't make that noise.
Oh god. What have you done? You pissed it off.
Huh?